Uma Bharati, a firebrand leader and environmental crusader. Uma Bharati, a prominent Indian politician, is renowned for her fiery rhetoric, unwavering commitment to public service, and impassioned advocacy for environmental conservation. From her humble beginnings in rural Madhya Pradesh to her rise as a prominent leader on the national stage, Bharati's journey is a testament to her resilience, determination, and unwavering dedication to the betterment of society. Early life and political beginnings. Uma Bharati was born on May 3, 1959, in the village of Dunda, located in the Bundelkhand region of Madhya Pradesh. Raised in a family with a strong sense of social and political consciousness, she was drawn to activism from a young age. Bharati's entry into politics came in the early 1980s when she became associated with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a Hindu nationalist organization. Bharati's rise through the ranks of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) was swift, and she soon emerged as one of its most dynamic and influential leaders. Her fierce advocacy for Hindutva ideology and her vocal support for the Ram Janmabhoomi movement catapulted her to national prominence, earning her a reputation as a firebrand leader unafraid to take on powerful opponents. Political career and leadership roles. Uma Bharati's political career has been marked by numerous leadership roles and significant achievements. She served as the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh from 2003 to 2004, becoming the first woman to hold the position in the state's history. During her tenure, Bharati focused on rural development, infrastructure projects, and environmental conservation, earning praise for her governance and leadership skills. In addition to her role as Chief Minister, Bharati has held various ministerial portfolios at the national level, including Minister of Water Resources, River Development, and Ganga Rejuvenation. Her efforts to clean and rejuvenate the Ganga River, one of India's most sacred water bodies, have been lauded for their ambition and scope, although progress has been challenging due to the scale of the task. Environmental activism and conservation efforts. Uma Bharati's commitment to environmental conservation and sustainable development is a defining aspect of her political career. As Minister of Water Resources, River Development, and Ganga Rejuvenation, she spearheaded initiatives to clean and restore the Ganga River, implementing projects aimed at reducing pollution, promoting afforestation, and improving water quality. Beyond her governmental responsibilities, Bharati has been actively involved in grassroots activism and community engagement on environmental issues. She has advocated for sustainable agriculture practices, water management solutions, and the preservation of natural habitats, demonstrating her commitment to protecting India's natural resources for future generations. Legacy and influence. As Uma Bharati continues to make her mark on Indian politics and environmental advocacy, her legacy as a fearless leader and passionate crusader for social and environmental justice remains undeniable. Despite facing challenges and controversies throughout her career, Bharati's unwavering commitment to her principles and her tireless efforts to serve the people of India have earned her respect and admiration from supporters and detractors alike. As we reflect on Uma Bharati's contributions to public life and environmental conservation, we recognize her as a trailblazer and visionary leader who has left an indelible imprint on Indian politics and society. Whether fighting for the rights of marginalized communities or championing the cause of environmental protection, Bharati's legacy will endure as a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come.